Hi everyone, this is Marieke Blokland from studiobloknote.com, and in this video I have a Blue Monday drawing exercise for you.
Boom!
So today is Blue Monday, and that is known as the most depressing Monday of the year. And I know that many people do suffer a bit from depressed feelings. I think that making a little drawing can help you with those depressed feelings. First, I'm going to explain you why I think that, and then I'm going to show you a little drawing exercise that you can do with a regular pen and some kind of marker. It doesn't have to be anything special. It can be from your office supplies, really nothing fancy. If you do have a fine liner, that would be better because it draws a little nicer than a regular ballpoint. But if you have nothing but a ballpoint, even a blue one for this Blue Monday, that will be fine too. I will use a black fine liner and a gray marker. This video is also a bit about mental health awareness, because you can really not see how someone is feeling from the outside. Even the happiest person from the outside can feel really lonely and unhappy from the inside, and without anyone to know it. There are great examples of that the environment didn't have a clue that someone was that unhappy until it's too late. And that is really sad. I know that it can really help to start telling it to people, to admit that you are not doing okay, that you have dark feelings. Just saying it out loud is already the biggest help, because maybe there will be people who will be shocked, and those will probably not be the best of help. Because what I can tell you, if you have dark feelings yourself and admitting it out loud, it is okay to have those feelings. We are all human, and I believe that everyone has felt that way at one point in their lives. And it's often the feeling, the fear of rejection that we fear the most. But then again, I'm not a psychologist. I'm not able to help you with that. I am an artist and a sensitive person. I do know, though, that people who have difficulties with their mental health are often stuck in their head, thinking, and that can be so hard. The thing that helps most is get out of your head, get out of your mind, and break that negative thinking cycle that you are stuck in. And I know from firsthand that can be hard. People can tell you to go outside, practice yoga. Have you tried yoga? Is a saying that you have probably heard before. In this video, I want to say, have you tried drawing? It can be simple as a doodle. In this case, I'm gonna show you some of these neurographic drawings that I sometimes do when I really don't feel like doing anything. There's a whole theory about these drawings, but it's just a mindless thing to do. It is like doodling. You just start making some lines, really simple. You don't really have to think which direction Yeah, just make some shapes and follow some lines. You can fill the page, you can also make some smaller areas. Okay, that's it. We've created something. On some parts you see that the lines cross each other, and it is very pleasing for your brain if you make those areas round shaped. So you're gonna look for all the lines that cross each other and make that round. And that's it. That's really it. And then for the rest, you just color it the way you want. So I now have made all the corners round in this doodle drawing, and now I can color some of the parts if I like. I like to just mindlessly color some areas, and I love it when they just touch each other like this, but then not aren't side by side, so like this. Just gonna look for which areas I can color like this, and it's just something that I do intuitively without really thinking why or how. And I do the same with another color. You can of course also use bright colors that you like. I love these muted colors a lot. Okay, that's it. This is the drawing exercise. It's not art, it is not necessarily pretty. It took me about 30 minutes to create this. But it's just a mindless exercise to stop you from overthinking. It is like a sort of pattern interrupter, and yeah, you can do this as an exercise to train yourself to get a bit out of your head. I hope this helped you a bit and that you like doing it. There are more exercises like this. This is just one of them that may help you. What is good about it as well is that an easy exercise like this can eventually start helping you with making expressive art. Because if you don't feel like doing things, there are certain easy steps that you can do that are similar to easy exercises like this that can help you start building art in a book, layer by layer, in very easy steps. And the good thing about it is that you will learn that over time you can really accomplish things. The layers in this type of art are a bit symbolic. So it starts with messy blotches or dark pages, or with not much really. But because you continue layering all those different layers, eventually you will have raw, expressive and personal art, and that can really help you to overcome things that happen in your life. And it's not to dig in deep. That is something that you can do in therapy, but layering art can be really helpful to have eventually a way happier life. I'm convinced that art journaling can really help you with that. But it starts with simply taking up a pen and doing something to relax you. Okay, that's it. I would love to hear a comment from you in the comment section below, and follow for more videos. Thank you so much. Bye.